Hey guys, I'm Shelly, and in today's video I'm going to show you a super easy, super versatile modern ethnic makeup look that is going to look good on pretty much everyone. But you know the drill. Subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. I'm going to start off with the eyes first. I'm doing a really simple brown smoky eye. I personally feel that it's a more natural alternative to the classic black smoky eye, and the warm undertones and brown shades complement and enhance the richness of Indian complexions. I've already prepped the eyelids. I'm going to first apply mid-tone brown color all over the eyelids. And then I'm going to line the upper lash line with the rich brown kajal for added intensity. After that, go ahead and trim the lower waterline with the same brown kajal. And apply the eyelid color on the lower lash line as well. Remember, with a smoky eye, it all depends on how intense or how soft you want to make it. Just ensure that there are no harsh lines. At this point, I'm not going to apply mascara because I want to get done with the base, then I'll apply it. That's just how I like to do it. Is this something that you do too? Let me know in the comment section below. Now I'm going to move on to base makeup. Primer is a must. I'll be honest, for the longest time I didn't find the need to use a primer. But then I started using it consistently before applying my base, and I realized that it does indeed help the makeup adhere better. This is especially important when you're getting dolled up for a festive occasion because you got no time for touch-ups. For base, I want my skin to look like my skin, and hence I'm going to use a skin tint instead of a regular foundation. You see, the finish is very skin-like. It's almost as though it melts right into my skin and enhances its overall tone. Next up, I'm going to set the base with a compact. Because one thing is for sure, during festivities, you're not going to get the time to retouch your base, so setting it in place is a must. So just lightly apply the compact all over your face. While the base gets locked in, I'm going to quickly fill in the lashes and also apply a few coats of this mascara. I love this waterproof mascara because it gives my lashes an instant pick-me-up, which is always welcomed. Once that's done, let's enhance the facial features. For that, I'm using my favorite stick makeup products. I have here with me the blush, the highlighter, and of course, for a little bit of contour action, the contour stick as well. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to map it out on my face, starting with the contour first, and then the blush. And then of course, the highlighter. As a tip, spritz some setting spray on your sponge before you get into the blending bit. And now let the blending begin. This technique saves me a lot of time, but I feel like you can only do this with stick products like the ones that I've used. Of course, it's all blending. Go ahead and add more. So I'm going to dab in a little bit of highlighter for that added glitz to my skin. Finally, it's time for the lipstick. With a brown smoky eye, you can either opt for a brighter lip color or stick to the nudes. I'm going to opt for a nude shade. This is a creamy lipstick. I've been loving cream lipsticks and glosses for a while now, and this nourishing rich formula is everything. And for the final touches, I'm going to spritz some setting spray. Because who's gonna wanna do this all over again, and plus you don't want no smudging or cracking to show up in your pictures. So a literal dose of setting spray and I'm done. Now let's cue the beauty shots.
Let's get scratching.
So, what do we think of this modern ethnic makeup look? Do we like? Do we love? Leave me your comments below. Time for me to go. Like this video, share this with your friends, and of course, subscribe and ring the bell icon to our BeBeautiful channel. Until next time, bye-bye.